Hi there. If you are a heart-centered entrepreneur or running any kind of business, this is for you. I'm Katie Rose from Bhakti Business, and I run a training at Krishna Village all around business and conscious entrepreneurship. I'd love for you to join me for a deeper dive into that. But for now, let's talk about pricing and your offerings. So many times I hear entrepreneurs and people who run their own business creating their packages and offerings according to what it is they think people want and what it is they enjoy teaching and offering. And of course, that makes total sense. However, I'd love you to think about your pricing and your offerings in terms of a really clear three-part structure. This structure is what I have found really enables the customer to go on a journey and enables them to come into your world, to start to know you, to like your work and to trust you, and then move through to greater stages of engagement and working more deeply with you, which of course means spending more money and supporting your business in more deeper ways. So it's always a great idea to start with a free opt-in. That means you're collecting someone's email address or social media following in exchange for offering something that's really of value that doesn't cost anything. Now, a lot of entrepreneurs and heart-led business owners make the mistake of this free opt-in being something that's really not of such great value because, of course, it's free. I want to recommend that you really offer something powerful and valuable, because this is your opportunity to showcase your work to your audience. Give them, over-deliver, give them more than what they're expecting, and that way they're much more likely to want to continue working with you. After the free offering, you're going to want to be offering something that is short and sweet and not too expensive. So a low price opt-in. Usually a price point for that would be between $50 and $100. This is for people who loved the free offer and then want to go and continue working deeply with you, but don't want to commit to something very expensive or time consuming. Then your final offer in the three-part phases that I'm recommending is your signature program or your full offering, and that might be anything upwards of $500. In this way, you'll find that your customers go on a journey. They move into your world from something that is free but very valuable into something that is cost effective and, again, still delivering great value. And then they really become what we might think of as a super fan, somebody that wants to work with you over time, really go deeper into your teachings, and of course pay a price point that actually reflects that level of offering and work. Sometimes we might put an offer out there that's a little bit higher priced, and if it doesn't sell, think, okay, there's something wrong with the offer, or it's too expensive. And usually that's not the case. It's not that there's anything wrong with your offer or that it's overpriced. It's just that people haven't been warmed up enough. They haven't come into your world and gotten to know you before you're asking them to make this larger investment. So by starting with the free offer and the low cost offer, they really get to know you first, and then the higher ticket offer is a much easier yes from your audience.